y'all, so I have another haul video that I want to get into with you guys. I went to this place called Bargain Brothers today with my mom, and it's kind of like one of those places that I'm sure you guys have seen where they have like these bins or containers or whatever with just filled with all type of like different things, things that people have returned, like Amazon stuff and just all sorts of things. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you do not miss any upcoming posts, and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get into it. Okay, so starting off, this was probably one of the first things that I picked up, and I believe this was the very first thing I picked up. Adhesive vinyl, and all of this was $1. So it has like this really cute color here, this really nice pink, this green, and then this blue color. Like obviously it's missing some, but like I said, it was only $1. I don't necessarily have a project for that, but they're gonna be really fun. This has stickers in it. Like this was the first one I picked up. Like my first bin was really just like stationery stuff that I was looking at. Let me see. And I should have filmed while I was in there, but I did not have my shop. They had like these big IKEA bags that I was using. We don't even have an IKEA here. So sad. We got it all the way in Memphis, but like it was getting heavy. Like I wasn't gonna be able to hold my tripod and film and all that. But like this is filled with stickers. Like so a lot of these, I can't wait to go through these, but a lot of these I'm gonna put into like packages, because we are reopening Casa De Royale. So be sure to check our website out at casaderoyale.online. Definitely shop for your custom keychains and accessories, as well as other resin projects. And it's just like a lot of like, ooh, I'm keeping this one for myself. Tea lover. This one is cute. It's got a cat with a book. So yes, if you see any of these stickers that you like, definitely place your order, because I'm like, I cannot wait to package these into orders. Like, oh my god. And I'm gonna try to like color coordinate them. Like if you order like a green keychain or something, then I probably do like a green sticker or two. So let me know down in the comment section if you want a look through of all of these stickers. And those are not the only stickers that I got some more stickers, but we'll get into those in a minute. They had like several of these little pouches, and I should have gotten more than one, but it's just a pencil pouch that I thought was so cute. And I have like a ton of pins, which if you know me, you already knew that. And I'm gonna try to put some in here. And then I got this because I thought I could use this as a pencil pouch, because I saw this one before I saw that one, and I didn't even look through here to make sure there wasn't any stuff in here, but I don't even know. And yeah, but this is like a travel bag, and I'm actually going on a trip this weekend, so I may use this, and it's partly why I still kept it. And y'all love this. So I got this super cute picture frame. I'm gonna put a picture of Bruno in here, and it says, you are not my whole life, but you completed my life. So super cute. All the other ones were like reminiscent of your dog, like if your dog had died, and that was like the closest one to like a living dog quote. So this is some clips for my hair, and I got 4, and the whole thing was about so cute. Like this is the clip that I just had in my hair. I took it down, but this one is like bigger and cuter and better. Oh, I love that. And this is like a, ooh, so pretty. And this is like leopard print. This one, ooh, this one's really pretty. So very happy about that. Ooh, I found one of these. I had one of these a really long time ago. I had bought this in maybe like 2013, and I had it up until like 2017, 2018, and it broke, but mine didn't have a twist. It had a little clip right here, and the clip broke. and it wasn't as long as this one, but planner videos, like my first starting videos, I filmed with one of these. I'm so excited about that. And it's pink. This next item is actually not for me, it's for my sister because she collects different poppets, and I just saw this and I thought this one was so neat. It's like a soda can. I was like, yeah, she doesn't have one like this. And I got Bruno something since he's going out of town with me. I wanted to get him another one of these little bowls. He had one when he was a really small puppy and he ate it. Yeah, he ate a hole into the bottom of it. So this will be his little travel bowl. More stickers. Now again, like I said, if y'all want to see like a detailed picture of each one of these stickers that I found, y'all please leave a comment and let me know. Like I really want to go through these stickers. Like I really want to share them with y'all because these are like bohemian style. These are so stinking cute. This one was the one that when I seen it, I was like, yeah, I'm buying this. Super freaking cute. I love it. Like this whole bohemian, like everything in here is just so stinking cute. And it has like this whole plant lovers thing going on that I put your order in at Casa De Royale.online. Okay, like you gotta get some of these stickers. Like I do not want to keep all these to myself. And then I also bought this one. This one is more bohemian style stickers, and like I say, just leave a comment below if you want to go through all those stickers with me. Y'all, this little thing, it was so cute. I had to get it. Watch. It's a nightlight. I thought this was so stinking cute. Like I picked it up, I was like, ooh, what is this? And then it was said it's a nightlight. I'm like, oh, do it work? And it works, y'all. It didn't come with a charger, but I know I have a charger that looks like this. So, excuse me. Charging won't be a problem. And it's like this really like mustardy yellow that matches my Cricut machine. So it's gonna look really good on my desk. And then, y'all, this is $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black sticky notes. These are gonna look so good with my jelly roll pens. Now if you know, like back in the day when I was doing my planner videos real tough, I had a blackout planner, and so all the pages were black pages, and I was creating the entire spread myself using jelly roll pens. So y'all know I'm super excited about that. And then this is the cute little collar that I got Bruno. Yeah, so cute. I love it. And then I did just buy him a camo bow tie like earlier this week. I mean camo bow tie, a camo collar real thick earlier this week. So I got him that one because I mean he's gonna need a new one eventually. Then I bought this for my Nintendo Switch. My mom picked up a pink one, which I think I'm gonna see if I can trade the yellow for the pink because I think my game is actually yellow. Let me here's mine. Oh no, it's pink. Okay, so my Nintendo, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. So my Switch is actually the coral color. For whatever reason, I thought it was yellow. My little sister's is yellow though. But I got this yellow case. And it came with a case in here. Ooh, oh, losing the pieces now. It came with this yellow case. And like some cute little lemon thing, and it comes with this thing attached to it. So then y'all, I found the 10 pieces 8x10 clear acrylic DIY graph signs. I gotta get my tea. I think that Coke made my throat worse. And like I thought, because I've been wanting to try something with like an acrylic sheet. And although they're not really clear, they're more like, what do you call it? Like a soft white. Put some vinyl on here, start making, my mom wants to have a birthday party. I can use these for her party. Okay, I found these. I thought this was so stinking cute. And it's literally just a box of like different pictures for you to create a wall collage. So I'm moving like next month, and I really want to go for like a more greenery, plant-based, bohemian decor style in certain areas of my home. $1. Don't mind if I do. This is better than Dollar Tree. And I got this really neat little toy for Bruno. So it's a walking dog food dispenser, which I'm sure he'll love. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna let him try that out. And then I also got these. My mom actually found these. And so this is a pack of like 30 glitter sheets. The red is so pretty. Like this color, I literally just bought some vinyl from Dollar Tree the other day that's very similar to this. This one's, I'm not entirely sure what I'll do with this yet, but honey, a crafter's gonna craft, you know. Like, let me see if it's sticky. It's got a little stick to it. I think we did good.